What is up guys, welcome back to East Street India. So today we are at the S Pizza in Kandivali West in Mahavir Nagar.
And this machine you see behind me is a fully automated pizza making machine. You think you've eaten pizzas that are awesome and made in no time? Well, this thing will make it much better. And I'm assuming it's going to be...
So today we are going to have the premium veg pizza.
This thing has all your common favorite toppings, but the cheese they use is a low-fat mozzarella cheese, so it won't put you much weight.
Actually, I am very much excited to have that pizza. I have eaten the pizza like handmade, the oven made, but this time they are going to make a pizza in the fully automated machine.
The machine that you just saw.
So now we are going to see how it's made. So let's see it. So I am going to put the token in that. I have selected premium veg. So now the dough and the water will started to mix, and after that it goes behind to add the toppings and the cheese in that, and after that it directly goes into the oven in which it is baked, and after that it gives the pizza, and it just takes the 5 to 6 minutes to make it. So now we have the premium veg pizza. It's very much tastier. So let's have it. Come on, Shubham. The quantity of toppings.
It tastes like a real hand-baked pizza, but it was actually made from the machine as you saw, and it's thin crust, so it's more more crunchy, but you get the same flavor and the taste like normal hand-baked pizzas. It's amazing. So the next thing we're trying today is the margherita. So we got a token and we're gonna place the token in and we're gonna select a margherita. As you can see, the process has started. The making of the dough and the toppings and all will be done, and then we'll get our ready pizza in just 5 to 6 minutes. So here we have the margherita pizza. As you saw the process of making it, it has the mozzarella cheese, the margherita, the basic margherita cheese, and the cheese sauce that they have. So this is also thin crust, crusty and crispy as well.
So as we have the pizza, so I will taste it first. So we'll get it. Yes. The cheese.
The seasoning, the oregano and the paprika and the molten cheese and plus the main margherita cheese. It's making it so much crunchy, cheesy at the same time. So it's great overall.
The toppings in this is very much like it's overloaded with that, and I love the design they have made over it with the Vending cheese in this. Actually, like we can't say that this thing has been made in the machine in that. Like I have eaten many types of pizza, but like that this automated, never. my name is Aditya Tiwari.
Hi, my name is Mehta. Hi, nice meeting you.
तो सर ये जो यस पिज़्ज़ा है वो कब और कहाँ स्टार्ट?
ये जो concept है totally vending concept. India में first time we have introduced it. So this concept we bought it approximately 8-9 months back. First time in Mumbai. And so we were researching the owners and the things they were researching on this project from past 2.5 years, and finally this project is live, first time in India. So we have vending machines for pizza, for French fries, for popcorn and juices. So that is our USP.
But actually, how did you get that idea? Like, ये machine कैसे सिर्फ machine के बारे
See,
में कैसे पता?
pizza, as you know, it's one of the favorite dishes everyone like. People of all the age groups are very fascinated by pizza.
Yeah.
So we thought, why not innovate the things in a better way? So we thought we wanted it fast, we wanted it fresh, and we wanted it in a fun way. So we bought this machine. So this machine is totally hygienic, no human touch at all. The entire process, right from the kneading process, right from the sauce dispensing, the topping section, everything is done in the machine itself. So it's first of all very hygienic. It's fast. Within 5 to 6 minutes your pizza. Yeah. So within 5 to 6 minutes your entire pizza, right from the base making, okay, right from the scratch till the baking and till the delivery, it's done in 6 minutes. So that, and it's very interactive. You just insert a coin and you can see the entire process. So that's the concept.
The machine is like literally very much
Yes.
interesting.
Like something new. It's like
Thank you, Mr. Tej.
Thank
Thanks a
you.
lot.
It was nice meeting you.
yeah, we enjoyed it. Thank you.